Okay students, turn the page 13.2. Okay, let us see that exercise. Turn the page 88 and see the exercise 13.2. We see here, fill in the blanks. Dash notes of rupees 100 have the same value as a note of 500. Okay, if we, how many rupees of 100 to make a 500 rupees? Like the previous exercise, we are going to do the sum. You see, first only we are having first 100 rupees. Okay, we want rupees 500. So just to add how many times? 5 times. Okay, first we see 100 plus 100, 200. Next 200 plus 100, 300. 300 plus 100, how much? 400. And 400 plus 100, 500. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much 100 rupees note we want? 5 notes. Okay, 5 notes of 100 have the same value as the note of 500 rupees. Okay, next you see here. Dash notes of 200 have the same value as a note of 2000. Okay, have you seen the 2000 rupees? Yes, I think so. Okay, just you see here. We want 200 rupees and to make 2000 rupees. How many 200 rupees wants to make a 2000 rupees? So you see here, this is 200 rupees. We want 2000 rupees in the denomination of 200. Okay, just we see here. First 200 rupees, 200. Next again add 200. Okay, 200 plus again 200. 200 plus 200, 400. 400 plus 200, 600. 600 plus 200, 800. And 800 plus 200, 1000. Okay, we want 2000 rupees. So you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 200 rupees make a 1000 rupees. Okay, so again we add 200 rupees. 200 plus 200, 200 plus 200 plus 200. Okay, when you add this 200 plus 200, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, just to multiply 200 into 10. 200 rupees, how much note? 10 times. Okay, we can multiply, and here you see 2 1 is 2 and here 1 0, that is 2000 rupees. Oh, so how much money we need to make? How much 200 rupee? We need to make 2010. Okay, if we are having 10 200 rupees note, that is we can get a 2000 rupees. So you write here as 10. Okay, next you see here. See the second one. Calculate the amount in each bag. You see here in city bag some amounts are given. First one what? 200. Okay, next one what? 100. And next one 50. So how much? 200 rupees plus 100 rupees plus 50 rupees. How much? 200 plus 10, 300. 300 plus 50, how much? 350 rupees. Okay, next you see the next one. Here also, here you see what are the notes inside the bag. Here you see 20 rupee note, 150 rupee note and 500 rupee note. Okay, don't confuse 100 and 500 rupees note. Okay, here you see here 20 rupee note. So 20. Okay, next 50 rupee. Okay. Next 500 rupee. Okay. Now just add it. 20 plus 50. 20 plus 50 70. 70 plus 500. How much? 570. So 570 rupees inside the bag. Okay. And you see here this also. Just you try this. 1 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 100 rupee note and 500. Just you add it. Here you see. Just 1 5 rupee note. Next 10 rupee note. 10 rupee note. Next 100 rupee. Next 100 rupee. Next again 100. Okay. Next 500. Okay. Now we are going to add all the things. You see here 5 plus 10 15. 100 plus 100 200. 200 plus 500. So add it. 500 plus 200 700. 700 plus 15, that is rupees 715. Okay. Or you understand, students? Okay. Next you see you read the third question. Mr. Mehta goes to a grocery shop. Okay. He buys 3 packets of rice and 2 packets of sugar. The cost of rice is rupees 45 per packet. Per means 1. And the cost of sugar is rupees 35 per packet. How much does he pay in total? Okay. What are the things he bought? Mr. Mehta bought rice and sugar. Okay. How much packet of rice he bought? How much packet of rice he bought? 3 packets. Okay. You see here 3 packets of rice. 3 packets of rice he bought. Okay. And here 2 packets of sugar. 2 packets of sugar. Okay. And how much per packet of rupees? Per packet. What is how much here? 45. So cost of per rice packet. Okay. Cost of a rice packet. Cost of a rice packet equal to how much rupees given? Rupees 45. Okay. How much packet of rice he bought? 3. So the cost of 3 packet. Okay, 3 rice packets. Anything. 3 rice packets equal to, what will you do? You have to, here one packet of rice is 45 rupees and 3 packet of rices we have to multiply. But 3 into 45. Okay, just to multiply here 45 into 3. 5 3s are 15, then 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 30. So, the cost of 3 packet of rice is how much? Rupees 135. Okay. Next, what is the price of your sugar? Price of your sugar is 1 sugar packet. How much rupees? 35 rupees. So, cost of a sugar packet. Okay. Sugar packet is how much? 35 rupees. Rupees 35. How much he bought? 2 packet. So, cost of 2 sugar packets. Okay. Cost of 2 sugar packets. What we have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, but that is rupees 35 into 2. Okay, just to multiply 35 2. Here you see 5 2s are 10 and then 1 3 2s are 6 plus 1 70. So cost of 2 sugar packet is how much? That is 70 rupees. Okay, and you see the last one. How much does he pay in total? Okay, total amount, that is total he has to pay. He bought both sugar and rice, so total he has to pay. We add rice packets and sugar packet. How much rice packet? 135 rupees 135 plus how much sugar? Rupees 70. So just to add it, 135 plus 70. Add it, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 3 10, 0 then 1, 205. So the total amount is how much? Rupees 205. 200 rupee 5 paise. Okay, or you understand? Once again I am telling ma, 3 packets. Mr. Mehta bought 3 packets of rice and 2 packets of sugar. Okay, just one cost of a price. Cost of your rice packet is rupees 45 and cost of 3 packet we have to multiply. About 3 into 45, that is rupees 135. Next you see, and cost of a sugar packet is rupees 35 and cost of how much sugar? 2 sugar packets is rupees 35 into 2, that is 70. And total he has to pay how much? We have to add the price of rice and price of sugar. So just 135 rupees and 70 rupees. When we add it, we get rupees 205 rupees. Okay, or understand students? Okay students, I think you understand the third question. And you see the fourth one. Here one chart is given. Here you see, Chahat buys a few things from a shop. Look at the table and calculate the amount of money that she has to pay for each item. Okay, first you see, you can use multiplication to calculate the total amount of money. First we see what are the items name. Here name of the item, hairband. Okay, next comic book and gulab jam. Okay, one sweet is given, all like sweets, is it? Okay, how you see, just a total number of items, hairband and 4 hairbands are here and 3 comic books. Okay, and 6 bowl of gulab jam. Cost of one item, that is 1 hairband. 1 hairband is how much rupees? What is given? 1 hairband. 1 hairband is how much rupees? 8 rupees. Okay, next, how many hairbands are here? 4, number of items 4. So 4 hairbands. Okay, 4 hairbands equal to how much? 4 into 8. That is 4 into rupees 8 rupees. Okay, that is 8 4s are 32 rupees. Okay, and if we see the last column, combination of the least number of notes and coins that can be used to pay the amount. We are not having 32 rupees note, is it? So we have to see the denominations. Okay, you see 32 rupees. How can we make the denomination of 32 rupees? Here you see, just first you take anything. First you take 10 rupee note. Okay, next you take 20 rupee note. Okay, 10 plus 20, 30. Okay, and here only remaining is 2. So we can take 2 rupee coin. Okay, 32. Otherwise we can split the 20 as 10 plus 10 also. Here we say 10 plus 10. We can take anything. Okay, just here also 10 rupee plus here also just we are taking 10 rupee and here 1 2 rupee coin, and here 1 10 rupee. Okay, just to add it here, or we can take anything. Here 10 plus 10 plus 10 30, 30 plus 2 32. Okay, and you see the next one ma, cost of comic book. Cost of a comic book is rupees 20. Okay, cost of a book, how much? 20 rupees. And how many books we bought? 3 books. So cost of 3 books. Okay, what we have to do? 3 books, 20 into 3, 20 into 3. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 and 0. So cost of 3 book is how much? 60 rupees. And we have to make the denomination least amount. Okay, and we can take 60 as, we can direct least amount. Okay ma, rupees 10 itself, or 5 rupee coin, we can take anything. Just you take 10 rupee. Okay, next you take 10 rupee, sorry 10 rupee. Okay, next again you take 10 rupee. Okay, total how much? 10 plus 10 plus 10 30. Remaining we want 30 rupees. So we can take it as coins itself. Okay, you take 5 rupee coin. Okay, again you take 1 5 rupee coin. Okay, next you take 5 rupee coin. You see how much? 30, 35, 40, 45, next 50, 55 and 60. Okay, or you understand ma? Cost of your book is rupees 20. Okay, and cost of 3 books, how much? 20 into 3, that is rupees 60. We have to take the denominations of rupees 60 by anything, by 10 or 5 rupee coin or anything. Just you first we can take 10 rupees. Okay, about 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30, and we are taking 5 rupee coins here. About 5 plus here 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Total 60 rupee. Okay students, or you understand? Okay, next you see the gulab jam. Okay, how much a bowl rupees cost? What is the cost of a bowl? 60 rupee. Okay ma? That is cost of a bowl, that is gulab jam bowl, equal to rupees 16. Okay, and here how many items? Total number of items. Cost of 6 bowls. Okay, 6 packet of gulab jam or anything. 6 bowls equal to how much? Rupees 16 into 6. Okay, then just you multiply. 6 6 are 36, 6 then 3, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. So 96 rupees. 6 bowls soda rate 96 rupees, and we have to see the denominations of 96 rupees. You see here, just you take how much? First you take 10 rupee. Okay, next you take, again you take how much? 10 rupee. Okay, next take 20 rupee. 20 rupee or anything, or 5 rupee coin or anything. Okay, 20 rupee. Okay, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 20 40. Again you take 20 rupee. 40, 40 plus 20 60. Okay, next you take, again you take 20 rupee. 60 plus 20 80, and we need only 16 rupees. So just you take 10 rupee coin plus, and take 5 rupee coin and you take 1 rupee coin. Okay, just add it here. 10 plus 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90 plus 5, 95, 95 plus 1, 96. Okay students, first you see here, cost of a bowl is 16 rupees. Our cost of 6 bowl is equal to 16 into 6, that is 96 rupee, and we have to take the denominations of 96 rupee. We can take anything. We can take denominations of 96 is 5 rupee also, 5 rupee coin also, 10 rupee coin also, anything. Okay, just I am taking 10 rupee and 20 rupee. Okay, here is it, 10 rupees 10. Upper 10 plus 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, next 90, 90 plus 5, 95 and 95 plus 1, 96. Okay, or you understand students?